The trailer driver is always responsible for the transport. However, as it is your excavator, you can help make sure that nothing untoward happens during the transport. Line up the undercarriage so that it follows the centre of the trailer. Ask in what direction you should have the undercarriage before driving on board. Follow the driver's instructions when driving forwards. Operate slowly so you can finally adjust the direction. Place the digging equipment in an extended position to find the lowest transport height. On some trailer designs, it is necessary to fold the equipment. Follow the instructions of the driver. Measure the height to be certain about the transport height. Prevent the excavator from sliding with the help of the blade and pins. Use wedges to prevent the tyres from rolling in the other direction. Use the designated anchor eyes for the chains at the top front of the undercarriage. If you have outriggers, a piece of wood should be used to protect the undercarriage from the chains. Always use the dedicated eyes for the chains. Depending on the type of undercarriage support you have, outriggers or blade combined front or rear, different routing for the chains will be required. Make sure the chains do not cut into the tyres. This will cause damage and should definitely be avoided. Fold in all the mirrors and any accessories that are likely to increase the transport width. Lock all the doors and hatches because the high turbulence could cause them to fly open and result in damage. Disconnect the main switch. After a final walk around to check that everything looks normal, the transport is ready to leave.